Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Amazon Associates mobile app for affiliate tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store specific to your device. If you have an iPhone, go to the App Store. For Android devices, navigate to Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Amazon Associates and tap the search icon. Locate the app titled Amazon Associates in the search results. Tap on the app to open its detail page. Review the app description to ensure it meets your needs. When ready, look for the Install button. Tap Install to begin downloading the app. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. Once installed, find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the Amazon Associates app icon to open it. You will be prompted to log in to your Amazon Associates account. Enter your registered email and password associated with your account. After logging in, you will gain access to your affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the app's features for tracking your performance. You can start using the app to track clicks, conversions, and earnings. Explore additional features available in the app for optimizing your affiliate strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.